Hello everyone, today I will make some spherical jug. Start make something like this. We make the cycle about 100 millimeters. Here we make line now. Okay, escape, trim. We cut this side. Here we make some line. Okay. Here also. This line I will constrain. Okay. Also we trim this line. Okay. Here I need something like this, I think. Okay. Here. Now I use this plane. Okay. Oh. Oh, now it's okay. Now I use these tools. Very good. Now I cut. It's very nice. It's okay. We finish. Use the revolve. It's very good. Here we can make more. Now we'll make the sketch. This side project a little. Yes, this. Okay. Not this. This. Oh. Okay, something like that. We can see how we can change and delete what we need, how simple all this we can do in Fusion. For what I need this, I will show a little extrude 5 mm only. Okay, join. Now I will make one more sketch on display. Okay. I need this plane. Yes, here. 3 points. Okay. Some like that I think I will use. Yes, something like this. Now I use the offset minus 8 millimeters, I think. 10 millimeters. Yes, 10 millimeters is okay. This I will need to use here. Like that. Why I do this? To the 2 points will be inside the body now. Now I must make 2 lines more. Okay. For close the sketch. It's okay. Now it's close. Like that is okay, I think. We finish the sketch and we extrude this. Yes, we extrude. I think we extrude symmetric 5 millimeters and make join to the project. Yes. All is okay, all is joined inside project. You must be sure to the all this is on the place. We make fillet little. Why we make now? We'll see later. 5 millimeter. No, 4 millimeters. Yes, 4 millimeters is okay. I make okay. I make fillet also here. 5 millimeter. Also more we can make 10 millimeters. Yes. Yes, we make 10 millimeters. It's okay now. Why I make shell now? We see. I will remove the face. 2 millimeters. I make the walls. Okay. I make fillet. Little here. 1 millimeter. Something like that. Why I make like that? I won't have here the hole is empty. I will show now what happens after when I use the shell, after when I make all sketches. I flip the analysis. Now we have something like that. We use the fillets, and when we start to print, all will be print good because we have fillet in every place. How we see. It's okay. Now it's almost finish. Almost finish. Okay, we need the edges. Here I also make fillet is more strong. I make about 10 millimeters. Yes. Okay, now is I think finish. Yes. Shade it. Now it's better. I will change the name here. Spherical Jug body, and also I save the project now. Spherical Jug. Okay, it's okay. Now I choose the body, short A. We must second time choose the body and make shortcut A. Okay, I will use the wood. And what we have here is time. Oh, it's very nice. Something like this. I must use download this. I not have. Not used this before. A little weight. Yes. How this look? It's very, very nice for print, I see. Yes, it's very nice for print. If we have filament like this, it will be very nice. Okay, thank you very much. Subscribe my channel.